I know you heard the saying, time is money, but it can't possibly be true because time and money are different. Time and money are not the same thing. Time is not money. Time and money are separate. When you agree to time is money, you are also agreeing that your time is equal to money. You're saying they're equal. Time is money. They're of equal exchange or value. But this cannot be true because when you go to work, people are buying your time. They're buying your time. You're trading your time for money because time is the more valuable resource. By admitting that time is money, you are admitting that you don't value your time as much as you should. Your time is more valuable than money. But they train you to think this way because it benefits them. It benefits you as a worker. You're gonna think time is money. I gotta put more time in. I gotta keep time is money. If I waste a second, I'm wasting my money, right? Because you're trying to think like a worker. That's what it's for. It's for you to think like a worker. Time is not money. Time is more important than money. And how could it be something if it's more important than something? There would be an imbalance. Time is not as important as money. Time is more important because that's why they buy your time. They buy your time because they know time is more important. Time is the most important resource. Time is infinitely important. Only reason why money is important is because society says so. Time will be important no matter what. No matter what anybody says, the time that you have on this planet is important, right? So society norms can't change that. Time is important no matter what. So time is not money. It's not the same thing. It's just a way to get you to think a certain way. Think time is money. And society makes you think that money is time. But money is an illusion. Money is a way to get you just to work, just to improve civilization. The best way for me to explain money is it's a way to get people to be productive. If there was no currency, say there was no currency, say this was a new world and there was no currency at all, there would be people that are highly ambitious and they want to do things and create and all that, but they don't have an incentive. They don't have the reason why. And there's people that don't want to do anything, and you're gonna throw them all in the same pot, and it's not gonna be people that want to make the world better or change the world mixed with the people that don't give a fuck. So that's why there's money. Money is the thing because of that. But time is not money. Time can't be money because time is finite. Time is a finite resource. You can run out of time. All right, you can run out of time. Nobody has unlimited time. Time is a finite resource, but money is infinite. You can get unlimited amounts of money. You can get a billion, you can get a trillion, you can get whatever. It's infinite. If you know how to get it, you can get infinite amounts of money. So how can these be the same thing? If one's infinite and one's finite, how could they be the same thing, right? So you're more likely to value something that is limited than something that's unlimited, right? You can get unlimited amounts of money, but you can't get more time. You can always get more money, but you can't get more time. Therefore, time is more important because time is a finite resource and they can run out. It's not gonna. Nobody has an infinite amount of time, but you can get infinite amounts of money. So they're not the same thing. You always value what's gonna run out more. You value what you have limited of. You value what there is a less supply than demand. If there's more supply than demand, even though the demand is very high on money, of course everybody wants some money, but the value on time is much higher. You always want more time. Nobody wants to die young, right? So you're always gonna want more time. It's just more. It's finite, so it's more important. Things that run out or things that have a shortened life, like let's say oil. Say oil is gonna run out. The price of oil is gonna go through the roof, right? But one day time is gonna go through the roof. But you're trained to not think about that. You're trained to care about this. You care about what we can just make more of and just give you more, even though it's losing value. Even though it's less valuable than it was. It's less valuable, right? Because they can just make more and kill the value. They're not the same thing. Time is not money. That's a way to get you to think that your time is as valuable as money is, and it's not. If you admit to it or submit to that way of thinking, then it is because you submitted to it, but it's not true. Your time is the most important thing you have. That's why even when you can give somebody money, right? But the time that you spend with them is going to be their memory. When you leave, you're going to think about the time that you spend with them, the time that you're with them, the memories. You're not going to think about how much money they gave you. You're not going to say, oh, bro died, but he gave me $5, so, you know what I'm saying? You're going to think about the times y'all was riding around having fun, right? So, it is not true. Time is not money. So, this benefits the corporations and the people that have their businesses, whatever. It benefits them because they get you to work. They get you to trade your time easier. They program you to think this way. Time is money. It's easy to get them work. He already said they agreed to time is money. So, yeah. And they don't think like that. Time ain't money to them. You know what I'm saying? Time is more important. They're buying your time. If they wanted, if time was money, they wouldn't buy your time. Oh, so time isn't money, but money is time. Wait, money buys time. Time creates money. Money buys time. They're not the same thing. It's not the same thing. I'll leave y'all on this. What did Rockefeller say? I want a nation of workers, not a nation of thinkers. Should make sense, right? Time is not money. Time is more important than money. Although you gotta get your money. I ain't saying don't get no money. I'm saying time is more important. And time is more important in most situations. So if we gotta choose to trade your time, your valuable time with your family for some money, you already got some money, you probably wanna choose the time because it's more important. But hey,